Welcome to this complete tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Copilot web version. Today, we'll explore how you can use this AI-powered tool for smarter productivity. Whether you're drafting emails, researching topics, or brainstorming ideas, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's access Copilot. Open your web browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. If you're not logged in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your Microsoft credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. On the main dashboard, you'll see features like Chat, Generate. These tools are designed to handle tasks like summarizing, drafting, and generating ideas. One of the most powerful tools on this platform is the Chat feature. Here's how you use it. Click on the Chat tab in the menu or homepage. In the text box, type your request. For example, summarize the latest trends in artificial intelligence, or draft a professional email for a job application. Anything you needed, once you've entered your prompt, click Enter. After entering the prompt, take a look at the results that appear below. Copilot processes your request in real time and presents the output immediately. Next up is the Generate feature, perfect for creating content from scratch. Go to the Copilot dashboard. Enter details or context for what you need. For example, 5 ways to improve remote work productivity. Click Generate and let Copilot create the content for you. Once you click Generate, Copilot will display the draft on your screen. You can review the output and tweak it to fit your needs. The Analyze feature is excellent for extracting insights from documents or datasets. Click on the Add File button in the menu. Upload your file or paste the text you want to analyze. Supported formats include PDFs, Word files, and plain text. What are the key highlights of this document? Click Analyze and let Copilot process the data for you. Once your file or query is uploaded, watch as the results are displayed instantly. You'll see detailed insights that are easy to understand and act upon. Let's explore one of the standout features of Copilot, the Think Deeper option. This feature allows you to refine or expand on any response for more detailed insights. After typing a prompt and receiving a response, look for the Think Deeper button below the reply. Click on it, and Copilot will process the response further, adding more context or breaking down complex points. Notice how the response is instantly expanded with deeper analysis and detailed suggestions. This feature is perfect when you need additional clarity or a more in-depth answer. Now, let me show you how to download the Copilot mobile app for on-the-go productivity. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the drop-down menu, select Download App. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open your mobile phone's camera, scan the QR code, and it will redirect you to the app download page. Follow the instructions on your mobile to install the app. Once you've downloaded the app, log in with your Microsoft account, and you're ready to take Copilot's powerful features wherever you go. To get the most out of Copilot, here are some pro tips. Be specific. When making a request, include as much detail as possible for accurate responses. Experiment with prompts. Try asking creative or complex questions to explore its full capabilities. Combine features. Use Generate to draft content and Analyze to fine-tune or summarize it. And that's how you use the Microsoft Copilot web version to boost productivity. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, this tool is a game changer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.